in this awesome monsoon season, how you can boost your productivity, how we can easily follow 5 simple steps with the help of which you can boost your productivity and get the best out of this monsoon season. First of all, congratulations, it's monsoon, it's raining outside and the weather is lovely out there. The nature is showing its beauty and we are here to boost our productivity. Let's begin this video. An awesome evening to everybody watching this video. This is H215 Prime video and the 5 very easy to follow simple steps to boost productivity in this monsoon season. The first step, reflect and reset. You can go outside, you can close your eyes, you can take a deep breath. You can reset your intentions, reset your mindset, reset your brain, reset your intentions. You can easily reflect on the thoughts. You can think easily. You can have a better perspective of life. You can reset your intentions very easily. You can reset your brain and have a better perspective of life. So first point, reset and reflect. Go outside, close your eyes, feel the nature's beauty and easily reset your mindset. Second point, stay consistent. Whatever you are doing right now, you are learning a language, you are learning a subject, you are reading a book, you are listening to music, you are learning from YouTube, you are learning from Udemy, you are learning from W3 schools, you are learning from Stack Overflow, you are learning from any of the sources. Whatever you are learning, be consistent in that particular topic. You have to stay consistent every single day, just like I'm posting these videos every single day. I don't miss a single day. Every single day I'm posting the positive values so you can be more hustling, more hardworking, more consistent, more patient in life. You can learn a lot from these positive values. That's why I'm posting every single day. So that is how you have to stay consistent in your own particular stream. So second point, stay consistent. Third point, read more. In this monsoon season, you can spend more time in reading books, in reading articles, in reading newspapers, in reading the language which you are willing to learn in this passive income time, in this passive time where you can do things which you love to do. You can read more. So that is very important. So first of all, read, reflect and reset. Second, stay consistent. Third, read more. Fourth, you have to iron self-discipline. You have to make an iron self-discipline. What does that mean? Waking up early in the morning in the rainy season is very difficult. I completely know, I feel that way. I know how you feel it, but it is very difficult to wake up early in the morning. And if you do wake up early in the morning, then you have an iron self-discipline. You beat your excuses, you beat your negative vibes, you beat your subconscious mind, and you wake up early in the morning. That is an iron self-discipline. And the last point, the fifth point, it is very easy, very simple to point. No outers, no outings, less outings and more inside time. You have to stay inside. You don't have to go outside much. You have to stay inside. You have to invest your time learning new things, the things which you are willing to improve yourself in that particular stream. It can be coding, it can be designing, it can be developing, it can be any stream where you are in right now. You want to increase your knowledge, you want to increase your productivity, you want to increase your effectiveness, you have to increase your facts and figures in that particular stream. Then you have to spend more time inside and you have to learn more as much as you can in this monsoon season. So I hope these 5 points help you a lot and you get to learn a lot from this 5 points, and you follow these 5 points in this monsoon season to learn to get the best out of the season and invest your time in the productive vibes, in the productive ideas, in the productive mindset. I hope you got to learn the best from this one. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family, with your close friends, and so they also get to learn a lot about this monsoon productivity video, and they also get to learn a lot from these values which I just shared in this video. And if you like this video, you have to subscribe the channel if you haven't yet. There is a subscribe button. You have to click that subscribe button. So I also get more happier in this monsoon season. So happy to have you here till now. I'm very blessed for your attention, and I will keep sharing these such positive values, positive vibes to you every single day. So keep hardworking, stay consistent, stay positive, stay patient, and help others as much as you can, and keep hardworking. Peace.